Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video we're going to be making some food. That's right, we're making food, and with this product I'm going to be showing you guys. We have an indoor grill from HBN. Let's take a look at the box here. Here's what we got. It's a indoor electric grill. It has warming racks inside, the grill top. This thing is on Amazon. I picked this up and I figured, this is small enough to give you the type of flavor you get from like a regular grill, but all electric. I wanted to try it out because we do family breakfast around here and just, don't want to turn on the oven or whatever. You want to get something quick and easy, and this is why I picked this thing up. So let's get right to the unboxing and review. I am going to be making a meal with this thing, but let's first see what it all comes with. So again, here is the box. Some features about it. It has a 2-in-1 electric grill for versatile cooking options. 8-piece non-stick coated pans for raclette or other delicious food, perfect for making dinner with the family. Easy temperature control and it heats up quickly. And a detachable and non-stick grill plate that is easy to clean. And that's something I really like about certain electronics, is you're able to take parts off to clean them easily. So all part of the deal. The first thing that I pulled out was these 8 little grilling pans. They'd be perfect for something like a fried egg or some sausages, even Spam if that's your thing. You'd be able to put them on here, keep it warm, and continue cooking on the grill top. Got ourselves a nice little wooden spatula here. Does come with the user manual. Inside it has more details about it with the different parts and how to take care of the machine, and cleaning guide on the back. Here we have the grill. So inside the middle here we do have those warming racks. So you just slide those in there. The top of this does come off. And you have it for 2 different sides. So if you do want to make pancakes, you got this side here. If you're wanting to make like meats like bacon or sausage, you want to use this other side here. So very versatile. I'm going to get this thing hooked up and we're going to make some breakfast. Let's check it out. And just for demonstration purposes here, we just hooked this up to our kitchen island. We do have a plug-in right below, so it's easily accessible. We're able to set this thing up and still have our oven off to the side. So if we do have a big meal cooking, we're able to utilize both kitchen surfaces to cook the items up. Right now what we're doing, we cleaned the surface of the grill. We have it preheating with the knob on the side on the highest setting for 3 minutes. This gets rid of any sort of like chemical residue or packaging residue that was left in the device when it was shipped out. So we're just getting it cleaned up right now. Another thing I did want to show here is the warming racks that we have inside here. Like I said, these are just little guys that can put, a fried egg on it, some meat, whatever you need, keep it warm. There is the coil in the middle here that does heat all the surface plate, and obviously will keep the food warm underneath. I was kind of worried to touch the bottom here, but this thing stays absolutely cool, which is nice because you can put this on practically any surface and not worry about burning what's underneath. Feel free to use this on any cooking surface or outside. Wherever there might be an electrical outlet, you'll be able to get the job done. I'm gonna have my wife cook us up something good and we'll try it out and see how it tastes. We're not going to show you how to make French toast, but this is what's on the agenda today. Some sausage, bread, eggs, and we're going to be cooking on the grill top here. All right, and we got the first bite here. Sausage and French toast. Cooked to perfection. Hopefully you guys like the video. If you do want to pick up one of these grills for yourself, I will have them linked in the description below. If you guys like the video, please hit that like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.